I'm at the University Avenue Courthouse where a very interesting case is being played out. It involves a man convicted of sexually assaulting a woman. The judge ordered him to pay her legal fees. He's now appealing that ruling because it's unprecedented. It raises intriguing questions. Should victims of sexual assault have lawyers? And if they did, would it change the outcome of a trial?
Clear path, please. Watch the stairs. You're on the stairs. Be careful. Be careful.
It was arguably the biggest sex assault case this country has ever seen. Former CBC radio host Jian Ghomeshi faced a barrage of media, and so did his 3 female accusers. Their testimony was ripped apart by Ghomeshi's lawyer and criticized by the judge, who found him not guilty. One of the accusers, Linda Redgrave, hired defense lawyer Jacob Jesson to help her through the legal maze.
It's like going into a final exam. You may know the material cold, but being able to do the practice exams and being able to write out questions, it's no different in terms of that. Being able to hear the types of questions that are going to come at you, being able to think about the answers and be able to express them again on the stand will no doubt help anybody.
Jesson supports witnesses getting legal counsel before they testify. On the other hand, defense lawyer David Jennis strongly opposes it.
We are talking about a crime where a guy usually can go to jail for years just based on uncorroborated testimony or just on what the victim has to say, right? Do you really want her to be prepared, or do you just want her to know that she needs to tell the truth?
An alleged sex assault victim is essentially on their own in the courtroom. It's a common misconception that the Crown is working on behalf of victims. In reality, the Crown is working for the state.
The complainant is not their client, and they are not the complainant's lawyer, and that's really a key point, a key detail, because the Crown cannot offer the complainant any duty of confidentiality, any legal advice. In fact, they're simply there to prosecute the case, to put the evidence up in front of the judge or the jury.
Jacob Jesson says it is rare to find a smoking gun on the stand and catch a witness outright lying. What each defense lawyer is really looking for is inconsistencies.
If you're telling the truth, you're hard to shake. It's difficult, right? There's only one truth. Right, there's many lies. So
speaking as from a lawyer who's trying to shake witnesses all the time.
Well, yeah, fair enough, I do. And when I have a sex assault complainant who fabricated the claim, I'm very happy. I'm gonna make her cry. I'm not gonna allow that to happen. I'm not gonna allow my innocent client to go to jail.
While lawyer Jacob Jesson supports victims seeking legal help, he does not believe that they should be compensated by the people who are convicted in the crime. He says there are other options available, like a victims' crime fund or a civil suit.